Hey everyone, and welcome to day 17 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. Today we're going to jump right back into opportunities and the sales pipeline, and we are going to look at how to create an opportunity so that we can really start tracking those deals from lead to close. So on the top right, you're going to click Create Opportunity, and here we're going to choose the opportunity type. So I'm going to do buyer for this one. And I would love for you guys to go ahead and enter somebody that you're working with right now. Let this be kind of some practice in how you're going to start using this in your business day to day just to track it. And let's take a transaction you're working right now and see how we can manage it in Command. Under that's where you're going to choose the client name. So you'll want to have the client already in your contacts database. They probably will be, but if not, you need to add them before you can create a opportunity with them. So I'm going to start typing, and it's going to pull up our clients, and I'm going to pick our market center administrator for this example. And to the right of that, you would put the co-buyer. So in Command, you have a husband and wife contacts as two separate contacts, but you join them by relationship. So maybe you're putting the spouse here as the co-buyer, and you're going to select their contact. But inside each of their individual contacts, you'll be able to put any information about a specific conversation with one of them, and you'll still be able to access all of the information regarding the transaction through either of their contacts. So under that, it's going to default the opportunity name to the last name of the primary client, and then buyer or listing, so whatever type of opportunity it is. But this is something you can change as well. So you could type it and name the opportunity however you wanted to. Under that is custom tags. So we'll dive a little bit into this on a different day of our challenge, but you have custom tags for opportunities just like you have for your contacts, but they're actually different tags. So these are more of organizing your transactions and being able to filter those and run reporting and things like that. So we will dive into that in a different day of our challenge. Under that, you'll have a time frame. So let's say they are looking to buy something in 3 months, and their budget is $250,000. Got commission here, and then under that we'll choose what opportunity phase that we're actually entering them in right now. So ideally you want to move someone to your sales pipeline as soon as they declare intent to do business with you, which is the cultivate stage. But we know that sometimes that stage, it really might get skipped. You might speak with someone and immediately have an appointment with them. It just kind of depends on where the conversation starts and everything like that. So you'll notice you can't choose from from all 5 phases. That's because we don't want you to just enter somebody when it's under contract or when it closes. We want you to start entering them as soon as you can into your opportunities and sales pipeline so that you can really track it from the very beginning of it. And you'll eventually, artificial intelligence within Command will be able to show you, percentages of your probable income based on getting a transaction from whatever phase it's in until close. So it's really awesome how it's going to just learn from your business and from the data that you put into it. So let's say that we're actually starting in the appointment phase with this one because we met and we scheduled an appointment for the following day. So the opportunity stage within that phase, which again, these are the ones that I mentioned yesterday that are customizable. So those are ones that you can actually edit and change to best fit your business. So let's say that we're putting them in the scheduled stage of opportunities of the appointment phase. So we've got everything we need right now. So we're going to click Create Opportunity. And it's going to take us directly into the buyer opportunity. So this is where you can kind of add more information. You'll notice that it was pretty general when we first put it in, but now we've got all kinds of different dates that we can enter. So once we have our appointment scheduled, we can put that date in here. We can put the date of the actual appointment. everything like that. And all of that can be edited by this little pencil right here. So you can come in and now here's where you can change anything here. You've got finance types that you can input, everything like that, anything that might be helpful for tracking that deal for you. So that is how you create an opportunity. So get into Command and add an opportunity for someone that you're working with right now, and let's start learning later throughout this week with how we can continue to manage that in Command to make your business and your life easier. That is all for day 17. Thanks for watching.